Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Smooth PubG Mobile on Emulator. Install a trusted emulator, then enable virtualization in BIOS and update drivers. Assign sufficient CPU cores and RAM in emulator settings, and prefer SSD storage for faster load times. Close background apps, set power mode to high performance, and use wired internet for lower ping. These steps create a stable foundation before we tweak in-game settings and controls. Adjust emulator settings for performance over visuals to achieve smooth PubG Mobile gameplay. Lower the resolution and target a stable FPS, then enable GPU rendering and choose the correct graphics engine. Turn off unnecessary emulator effects and limit background processes within the emulator. Test changes incrementally after each tweak so you can identify the setting that helps most. These small adjustments often yield the biggest real-world improvements in stability and responsiveness. Tune in-game graphics for consistency to keep PubG Mobile smooth on emulator. Choose balanced or smooth graphics, cap the frame rate to match your display, and disable shadows and heavy effects. Reduce view distance only if necessary and lower anti-aliasing to gain extra FPS. Use the in-game sensitivity presets, then fine-tune aiming and camera values for accuracy. These changes keep gameplay fluid while preserving clear visibility and control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.